Hey, what's going on, guys, gals, aliens, degen freaks? My name is Daniel Curtis Hughes, and welcome to Dano Crypto. On this channel, I show you guys how to make simple, effective, and easy moves in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. So, I am going to be going to the Bitcoin conference this year. So I'm going to be driving down with the fam, and they're going to be hanging out in Miami, and I will be attending Friday. So if you guys are going to be there, you guys can come and meet me. You can take some pictures. We can chat and we're just gonna have some fun. I'm gonna be around passing out business cards and just getting in touch with the community, going to watch some speakers, and hopefully get to meet some key players in the space. So I'm super excited. This is going to be a big opportunity for me, and I think it's just going to just soar my crypto career to new heights. So I can't wait. Please come and say hi. I'll be documenting it and doing some content all through the experience, and hope to see you guys there. So let's get into the market. We got some news right now. Got a lot of news going on in the crypto market. So if we want to just go and look at the overall market today, we have Bitcoin is at $26,838. We have Ethereum at $1,795. We have BNB at $309. XRP at $42. Cardano at 42 cents. XRP 42 cents. We have Cardano at 36 cents. Dogecoin is at 7 cents. We have Solana at $20. We have Polygon Matic at 85 cents. What a nice buy. I mean, any Matic under $1, I think is a great buy. That's not financial advice, but or financial advice. I don't even care. Matic, good buy at 85 cents. Still, disclaimer. Always got to put that disclaimer in there. Yeah. So I think overall, we saw Bitcoin. We saw Bitcoin take a nice dip here. If we look on the daily, oh wow, look, so you see that it went as low as 25,000, hit that for a little bit, and then we gained a little bit more support, went back up over 26, and then now we're sitting at 26,800. I think we're gonna go back above 27. But there's a lot of people that are wondering, should I put in a short on Bitcoin? Should I put in a long? Because in these key moments, if we look at the chart, we can see on TradingView here, if we look at the chart, we have, yeah, I think it looks like we can get some support, but we might have a little bit of resistance on this because of the potential shorts that are going to be put in on Bitcoin. And if there are more shorts and more sellers than buyers, then we can see this potentially go as far as going into the 25, again 24 range, 23, which honestly, who cares? I go by Ivan's strategy. Bitcoin at these prices are cheap. Anything below 40K is cheap. It's cheap. I have to try to do my best Ivan accent. So yeah, so I think your best bet now is just a DCA, just a buy. Don't put in. I wouldn't put any. I wouldn't recommend doing any leverage trades right now unless you have money to play around with. But if you just want to just fill your bags, this is a great opportunity. So we're gonna look at crypto bubbles here. We got so in other news, we have Pepe is gaining back traction, gaining some strength. It had some controversy because Coinbase labeled Pepe as a alt-right hate symbol, and that outraged the community. It said, it released a email to all of its customers trying to explain to them that Pepe was used as a alt-right hate speech symbol, and I don't know. I don't really think that is necessarily the case. I think ultimately this coin is neutral, which I think a lot of crypto should be neutral, should be like connected to any type of movement per se. But yeah, so that outraged the community. I think it sent Coinbase into thinking about how they should voice their opinions on certain coins. But the thing is coins can get delisted off of exchanges, and it's happened before, or relisted. Think about XRP. XRP is in the lawsuit. They got delisted from most exchanges, and you were not able to purchase. So once we actually, speaking of XRP, and the lawsuit is over, and then it starts getting listed back onto all of the major exchanges, we're probably going to see XRP skyrocket. So that's going to be huge. So let's get into the news here. So if we see, we got Lido DAO explodes 13%. BTC eyes 27K after new 2-month low. So we got also Solana, Near, and ApeCoin are the other notable gainers from the large cap alts. So Bitcoin's troubles continued in the past 24 hours, and the asset charted a new 2-month low before recovering over $1,000. The altcoins are in the green today, with Lido DAO taking the main stage with the massive double-digit price surge. BTC's pump and dump keeps rolling. So the major news from the past week came with U.S. CPI numbers from April informed that the inflation rates had slowed down and were actually lower than expectations. Bitcoin reacted positively to the news at first and spiked from 27.5 to almost 28.5 in minutes. However, the landscape changed quickly and the cryptocurrency plummeted by over $1,000. More volatility in the opposite direction followed before the asset finally calmed at its starting point of 27.5, and now we're sitting at 26.8. So, okay, so that was short-lived, though, as Thursday and Friday brought more pain for the bulls. This culminated in price drop to 25,800. So I think that's what people putting in shorts. People are putting in heavy shorts because I think a lot of the influencers on YouTube were, calling, Bitcoin's breaking. I'm putting in my short right now. So I think that probably can influence a lot of people to also put in a short. And so, I think overall it could be a good move because I think some of those shorts are in profit. So let's see. So this is what we're looking at. So crypto bubbles here. Let me make sure I am looking good on my video here. Okay, yep, we're looking good. Okay, so let's go back to crypto bubbles. Let's do some insight here. So we have Hex down 40%, and so this is in other news. If you've been following the crypto cryptocurrency ecosystem and markets, we have PulseChain has launched. So PulseChain has finally launched. So if you want to add this to your MetaMask, you're gonna have to go in. You're gonna have to add this manually. So how you do that is you're gonna need to go into your MetaMask. You want to go to the top of the DApp. You're going to add network. When you add that network, you're going to add a network manually. You're going to go into pulsechain.com. You're going to add that RPC URL. The chain ID is 369. Currency symbol is PLS. The block explorer, you want to make sure all that is correct. Now, once you do that, then you will be able to have PulseChain on MetaMask. And so once you do that, you'll be able to select that network, and you'll be able to see your PLS tokens in there if you have did any of the mechanisms of the ecosystem for PulseChain. I'm still trying to understand it. I was DCAing a little bit into Hex on Ethereum, and I think it's not pegged a ratio 1-to-1 for the value of Hex on ETH as what it will be on PulseChain. So I'm going to need to watch a little bit more of Ivan's videos on PulseChain. I think he has a good understanding of that ecosystem, and there is a sacrifice mechanism that was built in pre-PulseChain. I think you could have sacrificed your Hex to be able to get some PLS tokens, which I did not do. So I still have my Hex on Ethereum. So with PulseChain, there is you can trade the PRC20 tokens on PulseX. So you click on PulseX. That is the exchange platform here. So we're going to connect our wallet, use MetaMask, and we will connect, and we will see that we'll switch the network, and we'll see whether we have a balance of Hex here. So it's looking like we could swap all of this Hex for PLS if we wanted to right now. And it doesn't show the value, so I don't know if you have to enable the Hex on this swap here. So let's see if we enable that, what it will do. See if it's going to charge us a gas. Okay, so it charges us the gas in PLS. So we'll do that. We'll approve that. And maybe once it's enabled, it'll show us a price point of what the value is. Okay, it's not doing that just yet. So, but I guess with that, with 1,632 hex, you can get 176,000 PLS. So, not sure about this ecosystem and how I would like to transact with these tokens. So we're going to have to do a little bit more research on that so you guys can kind of go on that journey with me. Yeah, so that is the news today. If anything else, I can tell you guys about some of the stuff that's been happening on Twitter with Ben Coin. So with Ben.eth, if you guys have watched my videos previously, about ETH Ben. So he made this coin Ben, and then it gained traction with BitBoy Crypto. BitBoy has announced that now he has acquired the full project of Ben. So Ben is selling it to BitBoy Crypto, and now Ben is launching this new project called PSYOP. So I really don't know how comfortable I feel with the way that this is happening, but all in all, I think if you're just following the trends, you can make money. You don't want to marry any of your bags or your coins, but you just got to follow the trends. So that's what's happening with Bencoin. Trying to think of what else is happening in the crypto world on Twitter. So if you follow me on Twitter, go ahead and do that if you haven't already. Dano Crypto. My handle's DanoCrypto904. And yep, that's where I post all my stuff. You can keep up with me with my trades. And yeah, so thank you guys so much. If you tuned into this video, if you watched it all the way to the end, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button to be notified when I upload videos like this, and you guys can get the quick, easy, effective, simple moves that you're looking for. That's why you watch this channel. So, a reminder again, I will be at the Bitcoin conference in Miami. So, if you see me, come and say hi. Let's talk. Love to take some photos, and then you can tag me on Instagram and Twitter. That'd be awesome. But yeah, peace, guys. Thanks for watching.